Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So I will put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root, and we have 2x minus 1. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u square, you got about 2u du. First derivative of 2x, we do first derivative of x, you got about number 1. So we have number 2 dx. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. The square root we change by u. Dx we change by this one. U and u we got u square. The integration of u square, you got about u to the power of 3 over 3, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.